Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today, I'm going to talk about the fact that traveling, uh, it is important. It has its own significance, but at the end of the day, it can be overrated by some people. I mean, it all boils down to, it all boils down to the fact that what are you trying to do, or what perspective that do you have with regards to traveling. For example, if you are traveling just for your Instagram profile, just for getting some glamorous pictures on your social media, if that's your initial aim of traveling in the first place, I mean, fine, you can do that. I'm not saying that you can that you are going to be disappointed by that, but I would say that that shouldn't be the end all and be all of your traveling experience. That's what I am saying. I don't have any problem with you having Insta photos for your profile, Insta photos on your travel experience. But I would say that that shouldn't. There should be more to traveling. You might, if you are always just using a phone to capture the sights, to capture the travel experience, then when are you actually traveling? Because you can, if the first thing that you if the first thing that you do when you see a wonderful mountain is to click a picture instead of seeing a wonderful mountain, instead of absorbing the beauty of that mountain and experiencing the wonderful surroundings, if you don't do that first, if you don't experience the surroundings that you are in, experience the new culture that you are in, if you don't do that first, and if you are more obsessed with recording the entire experience, I think you are not traveling properly or in the proper spirit. You are missing out on a lot of things. I don't have any problem with recording your precious moments in life. It is great to record the precious moments of your life, to upload it on Facebook, Instagram, or whatever social media that you prefer. But always remember, traveling shouldn't be just for social media. If you if you if you um, you know um, if you watch if you go for a traditional music show, or a traditional music performance in a different country, and you experience that, and listen to that musical performance of that country that you know nothing about, but you are absorbing and you are experiencing it. Instead of recording it, you are paying more attention to it, because you are more attentive about paying attention to the performance of the artist in front of you, instead of recording it with your camera. Do you know what I'm saying? I have no problem with recording it, but again, when you are listening to a musical performance in a different country that whose culture you know nothing about, you should be more attentive of the performance, because uh, that would be that would mean that you actually experienced a different culture in reality, because you weren't obsessed with making sure that the camera angle was right, which for recording the artist's performance. You would be more focused to actually focus on the performance, to actually focus on what is happening in front of you, what is happening in your surroundings, how are people reacting to it. That is the entire experience. That's all I'm saying. So if you are approaching travel with the perspective of truly experiencing a new culture, that would be great. But I would say that after staying at a new place for maybe 5 days, you would still be quite exhilarated. You would still be quite energized by your surroundings, by a new country. But after staying there for 1 month or 2 months, you would realize that at the end of the day, doesn't matter where you go, which country you go to, which culture you might encounter. At the end of the day, human beings are human beings, and a city is still a city. So yeah, there are various cultural elements of a nation that are, of a different nation, that you would be impressed by, that you would be influenced by. But at the end of the day, after a point, you would realize that at the end, that it's just a city. It's just a, some people are going to work, some people are children are playing, some people um, uh, are just chilling at the at a park or chilling at a cafe. Some people are just doing their usual stuff, and you would realize that at the end of the day, um, uh, if you thought that you boredom that you would never get bored if you are always traveling, trust me, after a point you would get bored, because at the end of after a point you would realize that people do kind of the same stuff all around the world. Yes, cultural elements are different, but people are still the same. People are not different. We forget that quite a lot. But people, food, shelter, um, clothing, luxury, a little bit of luxury, entertainment, these are the necessities, or these are the things that generally people do, I guess. So some people play sports, some people play video games. It's kind of the same stuff, I would say. So more on this in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.